Hi, I am Nitin Chopra from Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket. Grogy.com is a digital grocery fulfillment solution which is feature loaded to build a sustainable business. Are you a serious entrepreneur interested in creating a long-term and evergreen business? Grogy.com offers low-cost franchise and helps you to build a profitable business in your city. Join us in a journey to create a network of interested budding entrepreneurs in building a successful online grocery business. So today's topic is customer interface, relation and retention. Apple works on philosophy behind making the best products in the market. Steve Jobs said, design is not just what it looks like or feels like. Design is how it works. So what are the key important elements we kept in mind while we designed the user system and interface? The system's UI and UX are designed targeting the millennial in the age group of 23 to 38. The important points we consider while designing our systems are: make things personal. Millennials want to feel special. We created tailored experiences that make each user feel like they are number one customer. Lightning quick pay speed. Nowadays everyone is in a hurry. When it comes to the success of an app or website, pay speed and performance play a significant role. In fact, according to Google, high-performing sites engage and retain user better than poorly performing does. Go mobile first. Millennials are the mobile first generation and 98% of the millennials have a smartphone. Another fun fact is that 21% of them delete an app because they don't like how it looks on their smartphone home screen. Technology has come a long way in past 30 years, and so are the users. Millennials expect instant gratification, personal connection, quick and easy access to apps. So what is better, an app or a mobile responsive website? When it comes to deciding whether to build a native app or a mobile website, the most appropriate choice really depends on our end goals. The factors making a right choice depends on usage and personalization. If the target users are going to use the app in a personalized fashion on a regular basis, then a native app provides a great way to do so, as it is easily accessible in almost all scenarios. Complex calculations or reporting with visualization. If you need something that will take data and allow you to manipulate it with complex calculations, charts or reports, an app will help you to do that very effectively. Native functionality or processing required. If you need to access a user's camera, location or processing power, an app will do that much more effectively. Push notifications. An inherent capability of app is the ability to send push notifications to the user who have the app installed on their device. The app gives the publisher the ability to send messaging to user directly. As groceries is something that we need every day, a native app has the capability of user personalization, complex calculations, push notification, live location tracking, and gives much more advantages. We help our franchisees with listing organized categories, subcategories, nested categories, products, and linking brands. Franchisee can present a consistent product listing, promote brands, basket of products or content. The following are the features we provide. Pre-built master product catalog. Pre-built organized master product catalog enables quick creation of vendor catalog. Promote vendor catalog locality wise. Franchisee can use the advanced feature to customize the vendor catalog and promote the catalog for specific areas and locality. Pre-built brand content and product promotional banners. Franchisees can use pre-built brand content and nested category banners. This will help them in quick promotion. Banner management. Franchisee can advertise brands, products and information targeting specific geographic location. Now let's talk on customer relationship. Amazon is customer-centric company. We need to learn from Jeff Bezos, who says a brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. You earn reputation by trying to do hard things well. Important factors while we should remember while building strong customer relation is communication. Customers should be able to reach you when they have questions or need by a phone call, email, text, or any other method. Positive attitude, the energy, spirit, and attitude with which you conduct your business have a profound effect on how your client feel about your relationship. In fact, it can either positively or negatively impact the business. Stay positive even when you are stressed. It makes customers do business with you because you are pleasant to work with. Make terms and conditions clear. Keep your terms and conditions crystal clear so that your client knows what to expect. Contract transparency can help both the parties define their roles as well as improve communication, attitudes, and understanding. Compromise. Some of the things that can improve your relationship with your clients are similar to what improves some people's personal relationship. This includes compromise. Once in a while, you must be willing to give a little. It doesn't always matter whether your clients are right or wrong in their request. It matters more that you are willing to negotiate and work with them. Ask questions, solve problems, compromise, work with your clients, and improve your relationship with them in the process. Go above and beyond. Anyone can provide good services for a client, but what makes them with you is adding a little extra to make a wow effect. Always look for ways to wow them. Give them extra good services. Go above and beyond their expectation. Your efforts will be rewarded not only in your relationship with them but also in additional business they bring to you. Request feedback. Once a delivery is completed, you can construct and use a client survey on satisfaction, or just casually ask your customers for their opinions during a conversation. Find out what they like and don't like. Share. Sometimes you need to share with your clients the process. Tell them why deadlines can't be met. Explain them the reasons things are done the way they are. They will trust you in all their future dealings. Get to know them. Ask and find out about their customers. Seek out their frustration and limitations. Tailor your services to their needs and wants. Be timely. Your clients want to know you are working on their problem. Rather than focusing on having the right answers every time, focus on keeping your client informed of progress while you go to the bottom of the problem. This builds trust and goes a long way in your relationship with your client. Thank your clients. Your clients are not only your bread and butter, but your reason for being when it comes to business. Thanks them for choosing you to do their business with. Be authentic and find them and thank them every time. Let's come to our next topic, customer retention. Acquiring new customers is hard, but losing them is pretty easy and costly too. And that's why there is a need for customer retention. Study says that it is 6 to 7 times more expensive to acquire a new customer when it is to keep current one. The main difference between a business that has grown sustainably over the years and one that had died out like a flame is the ability to retain customers. The things business should do is to retain the customers are: conduct frequent surveys. If you want to know whether or not your customers are happy, you need to track customer satisfaction on a regular basis. Conduct small surveys to understand how well they understand you and the offers you are providing, the problems they are facing, and etc. Offer around the clock support. The hyper-informed generation of today seek for self-help resources to solve issues regarding products and services, but they often want to cut down on their research time and reach out to the business directly. But some customers simply choose to do nothing. One of the simplest ways to resolve this issue is by reaching out to these customers before they turn away from your business. Surprise your customers every now and then. You could be delivering the best of your customer service, but what's really going to get your customers talking about you is when you go beyond their expectation. Send out a thank you note appreciating their part in making you better. Give them a custom discount on their products. Even if it is really small, it shows how important the customers are to you. Be easily available. Just how available are you for your customer, existing or potential? When a customer experiences an issue with the product or service, he or she wants his concern addressed right away. Firstly, they are already having a bad experience with your business, and a slack support is only going to put them off further. Educate your customer. If your customer knows everything, he might not reach out to you with queries too often. But the truth is, no one really wants to go through the regular customer service crush these days. They want to be able to get the issues addressed really quickly and preferably on their own. Create online guides, FAQs, etc. for a common knowledge base that is easily accessible by everyone. Make the customer feel cared for. The best and the topmost skill in a customer service representative is empathy. It actually makes the whole lot of difference in approaching your customers and how it leaves them feeling about the business. Listen to your customer carefully and understand his concerns before responding. And make sure to carefully pick the words. You need to sound like you know your business, but at the same time, without making the customer feel less important. Ask them to give you a score. If you have been making all the efforts to better the experience a customer has with your business, ask them to know how effective they really are. And an effective way to doing so is by using the Net Promoter Score, NPS. NPS is a customer loyalty matrix that helps measure the relationship between a business and a customer. It is calculated simply on the basis of the response to a single question. How likely are you to recommend our business services to your friends? The score for this is mostly based on a 0 to 10 scale. We are dedicatedly working on developing an online grocery ecosystem. Become our city franchisee. To know more about franchise, visit franchise.grocery.com. Give a missed call or WhatsApp at 838909919. Type the message franchise followed by name, gender, age and city of interest. We shall call you back in 24 hours. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for future notification for fresh videos on this subject. Like and comment on this video if you feel it's helpful. Kindly share it if you want to help others. Meet you in my next video on supply chain and pricing strategy. Goodbye and take care. Bye.